Another lift at Palmerston North Airport. OTIS, but Dewhurst. Inside. Oh, that's interesting. Look at that. Dewhurst retrofitted into an OTIS Series 1 panel. God, that takes a minute to get going. OTIS Atlantic. That looks cool and weird. I'll go back down in a sec. Oh, don't tell me it's gone down. Yes, it has. This lift is not particularly quick either. Oh, here it is. There's no one in here. Maybe it will just auto recalls. Where the hell is the capacity information? Right fucking in front of me. Going down's not so bad. It's going up that takes a minute. It seems to take its time to get going. We'll go up. Feels so weird though, seeing Dewhurst retrofitted into this panel like that. Oh, listen to that. Okay. And we'll end the video up here because I want to take some still photos when I go back down. There it goes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, then head over to my channel where you can explore more than a decade's worth of videos, or you can subscribe to see my latest videos when they're released. Don't forget that you can also follow me on Instagram for exclusive posts, and you can join my weekly live streams.